And welcome everyone. My name is Leanne Callister, and today we are going to take a quick overview of our unit on designing a course for accessibility and inclusion in online learning environments. In this unit, you'll go beyond the basics and explore how to make learning experiences truly equitable. We'll combine theory with hands-on practice so you can not only understand accessibility standards, but apply them in real-world design scenarios. By the end of this unit, you'll be able to identify key legal and pedagogical frameworks like ADA, Universal Design for Learning, and WCAG standards. Evaluate the accessibility and inclusiveness of digital content with a critical eye. Design instructional materials that meet accessibility requirements while fostering inclusion. Collaborate with stakeholders, such as subject matter experts and developers, to put accessibility practices into action. And reflect on your own instructional design practices to discover areas where you can better support diverse learners. We'll start by understanding the foundational standards and frameworks. Then we'll move into evaluating and redesigning content, before finishing with collaborative problem solving and personal reflection. Each step builds toward your ability to confidently create accessible and inclusive learning materials. To help meet these goals, you'll complete the following activities. Your first assignment is the accessibility audit. You'll review a sample online module using a WCAG-based checklist to identify potential accessibility barriers. This will sharpen your eye for compliance issues and set the stage for designing improvements later in the unit. Next is the Inclusive Redesign Project. You'll take an existing course component and transform it to meet accessibility and inclusion standards. Along the way, you'll give and receive peer feedback and reflect on your design choices to strengthen your skills. Then, you'll participate in a scenario-based collaboration activity. Working in small groups, you'll role-play as different stakeholders to solve a real-world accessibility challenge, bringing together perspectives from design, development, and instruction. Finally, you'll keep a technology reflection journal. Each week, you'll share short reflections on the accessibility tools we explore, evaluating both their strengths and limitations, and thinking about how they can support your own instructional design work. By engaging in these activities, you'll not only meet the unit objectives, you'll build the mindset and skills needed to make accessibility a natural part of your design process. So, let's get started.